How did you link up with I-Octane also?
I-Octane, I'm a general for Natal at times still, you know, you see it, because here we go on. My foot type for all your friends, you know? So, from a small, me I go around I-Octane, so. I-Octane rate me, rate how I'm humble, and he rate the determination in me, you know? I never give up, I never give in, never yet get up and say, yo, I'm tired of this, you know? I just always work, you know? So that he rate with me. So we go a couple shows, anyway, we go mash up, anyway, you know? So, yeah, man, I-Octane, I'm a father in music, man. In respect, I no strength in give me.
Yeah, no, for sure.
Recording artist, get me on record, commercial song, a song named Bad and Brave. That was one of my songs that was playing on the radio for months. Like every radio station, you know? Streaming, everything turn up on that song. So I-Octane make all of that possible. I have to dig him up. Real G.
For sure. And I know somebody else that really gave you a strength early in your career, at least an endorsement, was Ninja Man.
Ninja Man. Yeah, Ninja Man. It's the Ninja Man. Ninja Man rate me because show me fully bad at them something there. He love bad artists, you know? Yeah. So, I didn't know when the man really get to meet me, him come a questions, they come to me already and mash up the place, you know. But he never get to like meet me personally, you know? When him get to meet me personally, he say, oh, are you name fully bad? To them, I go see if you're fully bad and start DJing. You see me? And as in start DJing, I just counteract everything what him say. And I said, no man, you're fully bad to show you. You have a picnic. I found it, and from that, I come out on the gully side, my lone driving Benz come up, they come look for me. Can be a high grade come give me. And dip on the end, you know? Legend come in our place to link me, and them to sing them. My father, man, I have to big up Ninja Man. General, him and my artist in the music, Ninja Man. Ninja Man, I'm a DJ. You see
okay.
Me?
Big up. Another DJ I know you linked with, and he was in one of your videos too, was Aidonia. That's another person that you really link with also.
Yeah, man, fourth Jenna, man. Jenna in the music, man. Same way, you see it. One uptown, man, you see pray. Here we go on, you see Aidonia really old. If woman gonna say that, Aidonia really old. You see me? Look up to them, man, in the music. You see pray. Fully bad look up to Aidonia and the music. You know why? Bad DJ. From me young and grow up, Aidonia always one of the baddest lyricists. Always one of the baddest. You see me? If you know Aidonia, Vibes Cartel. You see pray? So, I don't have a chemistry, you know? I don't know. I mean, he is Massacre, find same way, because Massacre them did that this system up and I go on with dating. I don't know, don't now worry. So it's when me should go now, I kind of use that team they have for a general boss, you know? Because here we go on, I come out hot. You see, pray. And the way I come out hot is that nobody remember about Massacre and doing that thing. I fully bad and Massacre, the thing gone. So that ease off that thing they have for doing it, make them know say, you stop size up with doing it, fully bad for war with. You know? So, the general boss rate me can look for me one night and say, yeah, body's youth right now. Body's thing me see a road right now are you. And I'm not sure me stand up there stand up there tell you that. You see, pray. You come on one of my video shoots and give me energy. You see him show me, send me rhythm, all heap of things, man. I just love and respect. You see, pray.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.